Jatno sari kaham hai lam sawan channel tini sini auxilia mo pre Christmas sing celestial cooperators by kaisa panda kaisa song sajak o jaga phaimani jatno borok bai ako decoration rok auxilia mo convent do jatno ready khailajak payako decoration and decoration kaisa joto jaga light rijak sok bai ako saring pandawo te srasa tong kai guest rok phaiben sin invitees ro nong phurumai yang tongo litan song go litan hello
good evening
sari kaham Father Paikana? Holy Cross ni? Principal? अच्छा अच्छा Principal ka sopa kya Holy Cross na Father Principal Te phanya tongko sini Honorable Minister phayana Adi yang kisah thang lai na decoration creep decoration no na Sister song decoration kai mane Okay, crypt, Christmas crypt, lighting mereka galai nak kesal saja. Yang orang ke song nai rong department of thang lai lai na song lai chang lai yang preparation khai lai chang lai yo yang lo da dia ro sini panda ni chef master chef ro kamu kada brother Sanjit brother Laiko
ngomong kangke moso
ya moso wahan mos deng ni
wahan mos deng
Wait, almost a taste.
Mau khai sạc khơi.
Sạc khơi, ready rồi, rất ready.
Mau sụp đó, ông khai mau sụp đó.
Mau sụp đó, thế ra. Đi đi. Sạc khơi mà lại nhảy.
Mau khai đào.
Đào. Tiếc trong một.
Chicken.
So, rất là hay vậy kia đã panda sing trong hobby singo. Thang lại này bị sinh phải đi sân đây anh là gì
tradition or history that we were trying to just raise them and keep them alive with us, and so that was the thing. But
Because if I have to say God is love, what is love? Okay, I'll come at that point. So you remember this thing. I'll come back later on. That all of us are unique, and that is because unless we are unique, we cannot have a unique relationship with God. You see? So when we say we are personal, it means we are unique. Unique in the eyes of God.
reason for the season. Fine? Is that okay? You know why? It says here, Santa Claus is the main figure all over, but Santa Claus lives in the North Pole, while Jesus lives everywhere. We don't go to the North Pole to search for Jesus. Santa rides in a sleigh. Jesus rides on the wind and walks on water. Bible tells us. Santa comes but once a year. Jesus is ever present here.
Christmas is also a season to clean our window glasses. It is a time for us to change our perspectives. It is a time for us to look at things differently. The shepherds, God's messenger appeared to the shepherds and said, "A Savior is born to you today." At that moment, they forgot everything. And if you know the history, shepherds were the people of the periphery, people who were outcasts, people who were not part of the mainstream. And they had their packages, they had their backpacks. They were angry, they were depressed. And the moment God's messenger said to them, "A Savior is born to them," they left their sheep and the only breadwinner for them. They went to see the newborn king. And there they rejoiced and they started playing Hallelujah. They started singing Hallelujah, praising God. Their perspective was changed.